Hey there, here's how to Bluetooth pair your Sony XM3 or XM4 headphones with a Samsung Galaxy Tab. So we'll start with the Samsung Galaxy Tab and we'll go to Settings. Make sure you're on Connections just on the left hand side. Then on the right hand side, go to Bluetooth. Bluetooth is currently off. We'll toggle this on and it's now searching for a device to pair with. We'll pick up our Sony headphones. On the left cup at the bottom, we have a power button and we want to press and hold that for about 7 seconds. Let's do that now. This will make the device discoverable and we'll know it's discoverable when the light starts flashing. As you can see there, I've let go of the button and on the Samsung Galaxy Tab, it's located the headphones with this really great image. So let's click Connect. We'll give this a few seconds to connect. We can set up the digital assistant, but I'm going to skip that. Here we have a cog. Press this. We have some settings telling me that I can take phone calls, listen to audio, and if I go to the very bottom, I can rename, disconnect this session, or unpair altogether. So I hope that's helped. Let me know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, and hey, have a great day ahead.